No fucking way, dude. That's fucking good, dude. See, this is the kind of pranks that I fucking love. What is this? I don't know what this is. I own this. That's fucking so good. She wrapped my terrible towel.
She wraps everything.
Who was she in cahoots with?
Me.
Everybody? Okay.
I left her the house key, bro.
Hold on.
Dude,
Okay.
holy fuck. How much
Hold on.
Dude,
Wait.
she ran out of tinfoil and had to go to BJ's or somewhere to buy more.
Keep your cameras on.
This is so great.
Shiny. Oh, what the fuck? Hold on. Yeah, there we go. Yeah.
Oh my Jesus. I did not, dude. She sent me pictures in the concert. She sent me pictures and it was nothing like this.
Dude, this is fucking amazing. I'm not throwing this down.
You should leave it like this.
Oh my, she put a lot of work
It looks
into
like you're like
this.
mad rich.
Her sister helped her, to be fair.
Wow.
Wow.
Okay, that's an Xbox controller. This looks like an Xbox
have this
game.
much devotion for anything.
Roses are red, violets are blue. I win. I love it.
This is awesome.
Oh my. She's on her way home, so she probably won't text back right away. Dude, I love the guitar stand.
Oh my god. Like, look, she even left a spot for the lamp.